to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a process video for Gratitude Documented Day 19. Today's prompt was forgiveness, and the verse was Psalm 103:12. As far as the east is from the west, so far has he removed our transgressions from us. What a great message of forgiveness. So what I'm doing is I am cutting out those cute little flashcards for forgiveness. And I printed out two. I printed out the regular sized and then a smaller size. And I got this idea to make a tab from Jillian. So thank you, Jillian, for that awesome idea. So I'm just cutting this one out, and then I'm going to punch a tab for the top of my page. So now what I want to do is I want to add some fabric in. I love adding fabric to my pages. And so I picked this color. It's kind of like a bluish color. And then I paired it with the flashcard that I got there. And then I have a couple other pattern papers that I pulled out that I kind of liked. So I kind of just layer, rearrange, see how it goes. And then I'm just gonna sew those down and put it on there. And then I thought, oh, I'll layer it over a doily. So I pulled a doily out, and I had some like lacy, stretchy lacy trim type stuff. And then some of these wood veneer cutout frames, and I kind of looped some in there and stapled it in to hold just to give it a little extra. Then I decided that maybe I might want some splatters on there, and since purple is my favorite color, I always gravitate towards that, and it matches. I mixed a couple of my Neocolor 2 crayons, like a purplish color and a gray, just to kind of mute it. Got my Bible mat out, and then I'm just gonna splatter on my page. After that, I'm gonna get my heat tool out and just make sure that that area is dry. Once I get that good and dry, then I can just go ahead and start putting the pieces back down. One thing I do like to do is if I know I'm gonna layer a bunch, I cluster in groups, and I did that here, so when I'm rearranging things, it's kind of all together. Here I'm looking through some of the heritage stickers from crepe paper to kind of layer them in there. And I found a cute little butterfly that I'm gonna stick up in the corner there. And then I look for something else to pop on there. And then I ultimately go back to that heritage sticker collection there, and I pull out the little ruler or tape measure piece. Then I'm pulling out some washi to kind of pull some of that mustard color out. Washi placement is sometimes, I see some people that are so good at their washi placement, and I just kind of stick it down, lift it up, move it around, but I just want to kind of move that color throughout the page. So now I'm taking, it's a media tool that I have by Dina Wakley, and I just kind of make some polka dots all over the page in certain places. I know I did splatters, but I just love doing these little dots. I'm going to stamp the date at the bottom of the page. And then get my tab all situated for the top. Put a little bit more washi on there. And then I'm going to top my page with a really pretty lavender bow from Christine's Etsy shop. And I'll link her down below if you want to check out her awesome bows. So then I took a break for supper and came back and kind of had to rearrange things. But I was going to add my prayer. So I pulled out the Journal Crush stamps from Illustrated Faith. And I'm just going to do some lines for a space to write my prayer. I didn't want my lines to be quite so bold, so I stamped it once and stamped it on some paper and then did like the second generation stamping so it wasn't so bold and in your face. And then I'm just going to write my prayer down. And that's going to do it for that. I want to thank you for joining me for this second process video that I done for day 19, Gratitude Documented. If you are interested in joining in, you can check out the free prompts at illustratedfaith.com. Thanks for watching.